As our 3-week Wild West road trip began to wind down, we decided our final adventure should be to one of the national park's most iconic features. Not everybody knows its name, but everybody knows what it looks like, as it is the most photographed arch in the world. Delicate Arch.
That over there is the Wolf Ranch, the first settlers here in the Arches National Park area. Which means we are on the Delicate Arch Trail. That'd be a heck of a way to live, huh, buddy? One nice thing about actually hiking the trail to Delicate Arch instead of just driving to the viewpoints is we get to see some actual petroglyphs, some real rock art from Native Americans.
These petroglyphs behind the Wolf Ranch were most likely made by the Ute tribe of Native Americans. Since the images depict people on horseback, the petroglyphs were most likely made during the mid-1600s, after Native Americans acquired horses from Spanish explorers.
Catfish and I have talked about how the landscape of Utah is perfect for doing movies like on Mars and stuff, isn't it?
Yeah.
And realistically, with so much red rock and so much sand being red, it makes a lot of sense, doesn't it? It's a nice little hike up some slick rock here. Catfish, this will have to be our half dome for this trip, since we didn't get the permit at Yosemite. What a landscape, huh? Gee, I don't know which cairn to follow. Not a lot of water in this here desert, but there's a few spots. Got a small watering hole. This is not the arch you were looking for. What an amazing location. All these rock formations back here with small arches, alcoves, canyons, wavy rocks, a catfish, and you swing all around, more canyons and wavy rocks, and then bam, an arch out of nowhere, freestanding. It's not the biggest, it's not the tallest, it's not the widest. It's just the fact that it's freestanding by itself.
Delicate Arch was given its name in the mid-1930s during an Arches National Monument expedition. Prior to that, local Cowboys referred to the arch as the Chaps and the Schoolmarm's Bloomers because of its distinctive shape.
a view. All right. So what do you think about Delicate Arch, Catfish?
Looks pretty cool.
It's really cool.
Yeah.
One thing surprises me is its elevation. I've always seen pictures and it looked like it was just on the ground in a big arch. But we are up on the side of a cliff.
Yep.
The deep canyon on the other side of it. Pretty neat.